Alright, we're going to hook up to this hopper bottom for not the first time, but it hasn't been used yet. So just got my power cord put on. You got the power cord there. Goes straight down to the batteries. Right here is the open and close for the tarp. We hit open. This morning there was snow on it. I couldn't open it, so I went and bought a snow roof or telescoping roof rake to get the snow off. But when I got back, the snow was melted, snow gone, no big deal. But that's a good thing to have right there when you do have snow on the top of your tarp. Just push it right off. And then that's open. Hit the C for close. And it's working exactly the way it's supposed to. Now let's open it back up, climb the ladder and look down in the hopper, because when I first hooked up to this trailer, I opened the trap doors on the bottom of the hoppers, and there was a bunch of metal shavings on the inside of the trap door. Then on these trailers here, your handle for your dolly legs, which when you're not using it, you'll store it right here. And it's got a little pin right there that holds it in. Like so. Like that, the little pin comes in and out right there to hold it in. But I don't leave mine in there just in case somebody decides that they want a handle for themselves. Take mine. And this handle also works for the trap door opening. As it says, you know, the top one is low speed, bottom one's high speed. You have to pull the top one out and then put your handle on there and turn it, and you see the trap door opening. Then when I first opened that up, there was a bunch of metal shavings on that door from the manufacturing, you know, drilling holes and all that. They didn't clean the metal shavings off. So make sure when you pick up one of these trailers for the first time, open those doors, those trap doors, make sure there's no metal shavings on there. Right here is the handle for the manual operation of the tarp in case something happens to the motor. Same thing back here on the back trap door. Turn it. Then this door opens forward, so you turn the handle counterclockwise for it to go forward. Same thing on that one. There was a bunch of metal shavings. I cleaned it all off. Close this back. Then there's something else I wanted to show you. These doors have a little rubber seal right there. You have to keep those clean. If not, they'll wear out and you'll just be losing grain while you're driving down the road. And then we have this little door right here. Get rid of this thing. This door right here is for fill and dump. That is for the airbags on the trailer. You put it on dump, and the trailer airbags go down. I don't have the trailer brakes engaged, so it probably won't go down. Let's disengage those trailer brakes. And the trailer airbags deflated. Flip that switch again to fill, and the airbags go back up. This right here is the scale for the drive axles. Pull that out. It shows what the weight is, which that has not been calibrated yet. It's got a little screw right there to calibrate it, and from the manufacturer it's got a sticker on it that says not calibrated. When I get my first load, I will turn that little screw to calibrate the scale. This, we have the air operated hopper vibrators. This here is the regulator. So right there, I got it set on about 48-ish. But I'd never seen one of these before. When I first tried to do this, it wasn't getting any air. This right here is a shutoff valve. You have to turn it. They now zero pressure. If you turn that switch back, air pressure goes back up. Now you have vibration for the front, vibration for the back, and just so you're not losing any air, you can just go ahead and turn that switch off until you need them. And then to lock that in, it's got a little pin right there. You push that, pull that up. You can put a lock in there too to keep it from turning. The tag axle is this little knob right here. You pull that out. The tag axle goes down, but it will automatically go down when you get loaded. Once it hits 19,000 pounds on that axle, it'll automatically go down. Then you just push that back in, it goes back up. We got the ladder back here in the back. You just lift it up, it folds down, it just locks into place. We'll climb this ladder here. All right, we climb the ladder. Look down in the back, the rear hopper. Looks clean. I don't see any metal shavings up on the sides. It's got these little tensioner straps right here. And they're ratchet straps. If they loosen up, you can just ratchet them right here, tighten them up more. But they're pretty tight. That's the mount for if you use the manual tarp rod, which hooks to that, take that yellow cap off. That's where the manual rod goes for the tarp. And you got the manual handle right there. Alright, so we're going to climb this front ladder and take a look in the front hopper and make sure there's nothing in there. And same thing, it looks clean. There's a little bit of water on that door down there, but that should be okay. And you know, you got the straps down here, but the tarp looks a little twisted. Alright, so we're going to close this back up. It's going to go all the way down, come back around underneath itself, right up into its spot, right there. So now I'm going to put this thing together, see if I can't mount it on the back of my cab of my truck. Alright, so we got this bad boy together. Little roof rake. I'll show you how long this sumbitch is. This should be get the snow off the top of that tarp easy. Alright. See, as it is, it won't go very far. That's about all you're going to get. Now, if I stretch this out, but you got two little buttons here to stretch that out. Let's see. It's got one that stretches out there, and then the other one that stretches out there. But we need more. This stretches out a lot more than that. We go out there. Stretch that one all the way out. This one can go out a lot farther too. Stretch that one out. Now we got this thing stretched all the way out. 17 feet. Now we can take this thing. If you get snow on the tarp, we can put this thing right up there. And we can get all the way across. Pull that snow off of there, all the way down the trailer. Push that right off of there.